Welcome to this tech tip explaining the process of regression testing Edgecam CodeWizard post-processors. Edgecam's CodeWizard provides the average end user with the ability to manage post-processors. Every CodeWizard file begins as a template, which is part of the Edgecam installation. The CodeWizard allows the user or post-processor developer a high degree of control over the CNC code output by modifying the settings available in the underlying template. The post-processor configuration changes are captured in the CodeWizard file, which can be easily updated at new software releases. Edgecam's development team maintains the underlying templates that power CodeWizard. They add improvements and ability to use new software functionality at each release. One of the great things about CodeWizard is that user modifications are not lost when the template is updated. Your proven CodeWizard post-processor inherits all new ability at the template update, and that may require some minor adjustments to use. The reality is that the template updates will introduce changes, but with a good regression testing package you can confidently upgrade to the latest Edgecam version and take advantage of the newest functionality without worry that the CNC code will need editing as a result. M2 Technologies provides a regression testing package with each post-processor that we build. Here's what we suggest that you should put into yours. You should have the CodeWizard file. You should have one or more Edgecam parts which provide reasonable testing of the output from the different Edgecam cycles that you use and the proven CNC code from each of those Edgecam parts. You may also want to add other useful information such as models used for machine simulation, a list of G&M codes, and so on. The most important thing, save the entire package in a location where it will be backed up. The process of regression testing is a straightforward method to test for changes when the CodeWizard is updated at a new version. Here's how it works. Open the CodeWizard file, allowing the template to update. Compile the CodeWizard file, and then save it. Then, in Edgecam, open each Edgecam part in the regression testing package, regenerate the sequence, and then generate a new CNC code file. And then you'll want to open the new code and your proven code and compare them for differences. Edgecam's editor provides ability to do this, and there are many other editors that have very good text comparison tools also. If there are no differences in the CNC code file, then the template update has not modified the proven code from your post. If there are differences, these may be due to new options that may need further work in the CodeWizard post. Even if there are no changes, you might want to consider adding support for newly available functionality. For example, Edgecam 2011 R2 adds PEC tap ability, which requires that the token for pecking be added to the appropriate output section of the CodeWizard. Let's have a look at how the process of updating the CodeWizard template works. Notice that we update the post, and then when we allow the template to update, there's an automatic backup that's created. I suggest adding the name of the version that the old file is in as part of the backup name. Notice here I'll put 2011 R1. The template update adds new functionality to the CodeWizard. We compile the post and save it, and then you're ready to move to Edgecam for the regression testing. If you are having trouble with your post-processors, contact M2 Technologies. We provide professional post-processor development services as well as training classes where we can teach you how to work knowledgeably in CodeWizard.